The zero-down dream real estate investing on your terms. Real estate, a tangible asset, a wealth builder. It's a sector that has created millionaires and provided financial security for countless families. But how do you get started? How do you make that first leap into the world of property investment without a mountain of cash? This is where the concept of zero-down real estate investing comes into play. It's about leveraging opportunities, understanding the market, and making informed decisions. Many people think it's out of reach. They see the high prices, the competition, and the complexities of the market and feel overwhelmed. They believe that only the wealthy can afford to invest in real estate. But this couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is, with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can start investing in real estate. They believe you need tons of cash to get started. This is a myth. The idea that you need a large sum of money to begin your real estate journey is one of the biggest misconceptions out there. There are numerous ways to invest with little to no money down. It's all about finding the right deals and knowing how to negotiate. You can invest in real estate with zero cash down. Yes, you heard that right, zero cash down. This means you can acquire properties without having to put up a significant amount of your own money. It's a strategy that has been used by savvy investors for years, and it's something you can learn to do too. It's about strategy, not just money. The key to successful real estate investing is having a solid strategy. This involves understanding the market, knowing how to find good deals, and being able to negotiate effectively. It's also about being creative and thinking outside the box. There are many different strategies you can use to invest in real estate, and the best one for you will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. This essay will show you how. We'll dive deep into the world of zero-down real estate investing and provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. We'll cover everything from finding deals to financing options to closing the deal. By the end of this essay, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start your real estate investing journey with little to no money down. Get ready to unlock the possibilities. You'll learn practical strategies, we'll debunk common myths, we'll provide you with real-life examples and case studies to illustrate how these strategies work in the real world. You'll see that it's not just theory, but practical, actionable advice that you can start using right away. Fear can hold you back. It's natural to feel apprehensive about investing in real estate, especially if you're new to it. But fear is often based on a lack of knowledge and understanding. By educating yourself and gaining a deeper understanding of the process, you can overcome this fear and move forward with confidence. We'll help you overcome it. We'll provide you with the information and support you need to feel confident in your ability to invest in real estate. We'll show you that it's possible to achieve your financial goals through real estate investing, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. Get ready to take control of your financial future. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can start your journey today. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of real estate investing on your terms. Let's address the elephant in the room. The biggest myth? You need a mountain of cash to invest in real estate. This simply isn't true. Sure, cash helps, but it's not the only way. Don't let this myth stop you. Think outside the bank. Get creative with financing. There are many options available. We'll explore these in detail later. Remember, lack of cash is not a deal breaker. It's just a hurdle to overcome. Fear is a powerful emotion. It can paralyze us. Many people fear real estate investing. They fear not having enough money. They fear making mistakes. These fears are often unfounded. Don't let fear control your decisions. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about real estate. Learn about different strategies. The more you know, the less you'll fear. Turn fear into action. Take the first step towards your goals. Seller financing is a powerful tool. It allows you to buy property directly from the owner. They become the bank. You make payments to them. This opens doors that traditional lenders can't. Sellers benefit too. They receive a steady stream of income. It can be a win-win situation. Negotiation is key. Present a compelling case to the seller. Show them why financing for you is beneficial. Lease options. Controlling your real estate destiny. Lease options offer another avenue. You lease a property with the option to buy later. This gives you time to secure financing. It also allows you to test the market. You control the property during the lease period. You can even sublet it for profit. This strategy requires careful planning. Structure the lease option agreement to your advantage. It's a powerful way to get started with little money down. Power of partnerships: leveraging collective strength. Don't underestimate the power of partnerships. Pooling resources can open doors. Find a partner with complementary skills. Maybe they have the cash, you have the deal-making skills. Partnerships share the risk. They also share the rewards. Choose your partners carefully. Trust and communication are essential. A strong partnership can be a recipe for success. A zero to hero story, from skeptic to real estate mogul. Let's meet Sarah. Sarah's journey is nothing short of remarkable. She started with a lot of doubts and fears, but her determination and willingness to learn transformed her life completely. She was once a skeptic. Like many of us, Sarah had her reservations about diving into the world of real estate. She had heard the horror stories and the tales of financial ruin. The idea of investing in property seemed like a distant dream, something only the wealthy could afford. She thought real estate investing was impossible. The market seemed intimidating, and the risks appeared too high. Sarah often found herself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and the complexities involved in real estate transactions. It felt like an insurmountable mountain. She had no money and a lot of fear. Financial constraints were a significant barrier. With a limited budget and no substantial savings, Sarah felt trapped. The fear of making a wrong decision and losing whatever little she had was paralyzing. She often wondered if she would ever break free from this cycle. Then Sarah discovered seller financing. This was a game changer. Seller financing opened up new possibilities that she had never considered before. It allowed her to bypass traditional lending institutions and negotiate directly with property owners. This approach made the seemingly impossible possible. She found a motivated seller. Finding the right seller was crucial. Sarah learned to identify property owners who were eager to sell and willing to offer flexible financing terms. This required patience, research, and a lot of networking, but it paid off. They agreed on a financing plan. Negotiating the terms of the deal was a delicate process. Sarah had to ensure that the agreement was beneficial for both parties. She worked out a plan that allowed her to make manageable payments while gradually building equity in the property. Sarah purchased her first property. This was a monumental achievement. Holding the keys to her first home was a moment of triumph. It symbolized the beginning of a new chapter in her life, one filled with potential and opportunities. She used lease options for her next few deals. Lease options became a strategic tool in her investment arsenal. They allowed her to control properties without immediate ownership, giving her the flexibility to generate income and reinvest in more properties. Today, Sarah is a successful real estate investor. Her portfolio has grown significantly, and she now owns multiple properties. Her success is a testament to her hard work, resilience, and the power of creative financing strategies. She achieved this with zero cash down. Sarah's story is proof that you don't need a lot of money to start investing in real estate. With the right knowledge and strategies, it's possible to build wealth from the ground up. Her story is an inspiration. Sarah now shares her journey with others, hoping to inspire and educate aspiring investors. She believes that if she could do it, anyone can. It proves that anything is possible. Sarah's transformation from a skeptic to a real estate mogul is a powerful reminder that with determination, education, and the right opportunities, anyone can achieve their dreams. Unleash your inner investor. Action sparks opportunity. You've learned the strategies. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start by educating yourself further. Read books, attend seminars, network with other investors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Identify your target market. Look for properties with potential. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, action creates opportunity. The zero-down advantage: building wealth on your terms. Imagine a world where you can start building wealth without needing a large sum of money up front. This is the promise of zero cash down real estate investing. Zero cash down real estate investing is a game changer. It allows you to enter the real estate market without the traditional barriers of high initial costs. This method opens doors to opportunities that were once out of reach for many. It empowers you to build wealth. By leveraging other people's money, you can acquire properties, generate rental income, and see your investments grow over time. This strategy can significantly accelerate your path to financial independence. You don't need a fortune to get started. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can begin your real estate journey with minimal financial risk. This approach democratizes real estate investing, making it accessible to a broader audience. It requires creativity, determination, and action. The benefits are numerous. Not only can you build a portfolio of properties, but you can also enjoy the satisfaction of creating value through renovations and improvements. This hands-on approach can be incredibly rewarding. You can achieve financial freedom. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a steady stream of income from your investments. This financial security allows you to enjoy life more fully, spending time with loved ones and pursuing your passions. You can build a legacy for your family. Real estate is a tangible asset that can be passed down through generations, providing long-term security and wealth for your loved ones. This legacy can have a lasting impact, giving your family a strong financial foundation. You can become financially independent. The possibilities are endless. With each property you acquire, you are one step closer to financial freedom. This independence allows you to make choices based on your desires, not financial constraints. Take the first step today. Educate yourself, seek out mentors, and start exploring opportunities in your area. The journey to building wealth through zero cash down real estate investing begins with a single step. Unlock the power of zero cash down real estate investing. Embrace this innovative approach and start building wealth on your terms. The future is bright, and the possibilities are limitless. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on zero cash down investing in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies on real estate investing. See you in the next video.